Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kellen Ray is back with another video. Today we're going to be playing just one game of ring domination because I just hit Cataclysm tier and I'm going to be claiming my freebie. So this is going to be a short video, but hopefully you enjoy it, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And let's get started and get my freebie pool. So we won already. So yeah, this is going to be a short video. So yeah. Oh, are you kidding me? Now we're gonna... Oh, for you could know, guys, I am Cataclysm. So, yeah. I guess I'll just... the money in the bank. Nope. Right, I should be getting my freebie pool right now. Oh, wow, it's taking me to the last one. Right, guys, my freebie pool is... Wolfgang. Let me just take a screenshot. Right, so Wolfgang is my freebie. Alright, wow. Right, could have been much better, but that's what I got. And let me just... He's not a pro, actually. He isn't a pro, though. He's not. And, yeah. That was my pool, guys, and... there's nothing much to do. I'll just play one money in the bank game, and then I'll just wrap this video up. Hopefully I win. Alright, I'm going for Rey Mysterio there. Actually, guys, Wolfgang is one of the cards that my cousin has, actually, and I'll just show you in a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna risk this. So yeah, I think he should have one. I forgot, to be honest, but I'm gonna see right now after this money in the bank game. Right, I'm just gonna have to use Cesaro too, because I lost this one, so, but I still won, hopefully. Right, now I'm gonna use the Goblin Breaker that actually made me go into Cataclysm too, because I just pro'd them, and yeah, so yeah, I won this, and now I'm gonna see if my cousin also has a Wolfgang. I think he does. I can't remember. Right, there we go. Right, my cousin is right here. Oh yeah, he does. Wow, that's nice. And this is my team, which I just pro'd a while ago, and these three WrestleMania pros, and my female I need to work on. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice rest of your day. Peace out, guys.